Hey everybody, it's Mark from the Geek Church here. It's not often that I review power tools, but today I've got this one from Litheli. I'm hoping I'm pronouncing that right. This is the U20 brushless drill driver. We're going to be opening this up and trying this out right after this. I don't often review power tools, but when I do, I like to, you know what, this isn't working. I thought I had a bit going on here, but I really don't. Honestly, I've done my video channel for about 5 years, and I really have to say I don't think I reviewed a power tool during that time. So I think I'd have to go back to some of my earlier reviews back when I was, well, I'm still doing written articles, to just simply get a power tool review. And I think that was like Black & Decker, which I still have around here. So maybe it's time for an upgrade. I don't know if I can say that whether this is really an upgrade or not today. So this is it right here, I guess. Yeah, so we got this going on here, and I don't want to get rid of the box just yet because I want to make sure I've got all the stuff from the box. Okay, I'm seeing a clip of some type here. I didn't expect that to show up here, so, oh, here we go. There's a whole box here that's probably full of stuff. Okay, time for a what's in the box sort of thing, a moment here. So I'm seeing a, U20 U battery plus. Oh, shoot. Okay, this is a really nice thing here. Okay, I'm trying to see how this works here. Anytime you get a, one of these kind of electric screwdrivers, I'm seeing a place for a battery pack. You know how this works. You just recharge the battery pack every once in a while, and it should work out pretty well for you. So let's see what we've got here. As far as the battery is concerned, hopefully this comes pre-charged. If not, well, yeah, I think you know how this works here. Okay, I'm seeing how does this work here. Oh wow, okay, I'm liking this. There's a place. This is a USB charge thing. This is the first time I've seen this on any particular product like this. The issue is, how does this fit in here? I'm gonna have to figure this out. Okay, I'm seeing two things there. So this just kind of, oh, that's in there, all right. So are we working here? Oh, okay, I think I got it. Oh, shoot, works right out of the box. Not bad. Didn't have to charge it or anything. So, kind of a shock here. Okay, so I'm seeing the readings here. I don't know if it's pretty loud. Of course, maybe you like the sound of a power tool. Yeah, so let's see. All right, okay, I can't tell, there's a light down here. Maybe that's an indicator of power. And then there's like an unlock button, so that's how that works, okay. I get it. Charge it up via USB. Okay, yeah, funny thing. Oh, do I see one? Yes, I do. It actually came with a cord. I didn't see that before. But then again, you probably have a USB-C. I think that's a USB-C. Actually, is it? I'm just going to say, yeah, that feels like a USB-C to me. But just in case, I want to check this out here. Yeah, it is. Okay, had to be sure. Some things still use micro now. Anyway, so I've got this thing here, and I forgot to say that it's got like some sets of instructions here, so that's cool. And one for the battery and one for the actual drill itself. Honestly, I think I can do a better demonstration of this if I just did a few projects with it. So, should I do that? I'm trying to think of what I can screw around with here. Yeah. Okay, as it so happens, I remembered I have this little project here. Some of you might remember when I reviewed this ASO camera. So I only have like 3 screws to secure it, but I really should put in 3 screws. Okay, fortunately I got this guy with me. So I can see my max power, as it were. Let's see how well it does it. Okay, let's put it on, should we do drill mode on this, or one of these higher things? I'm at 17 on this level. Oh, shucks. Okay, and we're turning right. We'll try that first. Let's see how that does. It's in there. This thing works out really well. You should get this. It's pretty awesome. All right. I can't wait to see if this company is going to send me anything more because, man, I want to review it. Yeah. All I can say is screw this. I mean, okay, there's so many jokes I can make here. I'm going to play with the adjustments here. So let's see what we've got. Okay, so we've got about 17 levels plus a screwdriver or a drill bit or a drill thing. So that feels pretty fast. Anything else we got? I think we start at that. What is this here? This looks important. Oh, duh, the direction. Not bad. Okay, so, oh, is that the direction? I think it's this direction. What is this? High power, low power? What does that do? All right, I'm gonna have to do this. You can see I'm probably not handy with tools here. You look at me and you kind of go like, yeah, that guy doesn't know a darn thing about tools. Yeah, if you want to leave a comment there, you could, but why? Let's get to some of the features here. Okay, first of all, this thing is about 2.6 pounds. Not bad at all. So, okay, oh, LED work light. Is that what this thing is for? I mean, it's just a work light, but shouldn't that be on the front of the thing? Not the bottom? I don't know. It's not like I'm going to be planning on using this in the dark. Or am I? I don't know. Okay, so let's see. It definitely talks about the ergonomic grip, and I will testify that it does feel very comfortable in my hand. So that's what I'm going to have to say about that. Yeah, okay, I really got to get over that, don't I? Nope. I'm not going to get over it. Okay, so according to this has a brushless motor. I have no idea what that means. So I'm going to have to do that. This is also a keyless chuck. So I'm assuming that you just kind of turn this here. Yeah, and then you can put the bit in here. Comes with no bits, just to let you know. Variable speed, 0 to 500 RPM to screw tighten, and 0 to 2000 RPM for drilling. So that's pretty good. This is apparently the LED light they were talking about. So, I'm really liking this thing. So what else am I going to do with it? I don't know, but I can tell you this. I just found out about this. Okay, check this out. See this battery? You could literally use it to charge your phone. Seriously. While you're charging this battery, you could actually plug your phone into this USB-A outlet there and do both at the same time. Isn't that fantastic? I think that really is fantastic. Okay. All right, this better not be the last Litheli tool that I'm going to review. But if it is, I'm pretty happy with what I've got here. Anyway, I think there's one more thing I need to do, which is give you the price. And the price is about, what I'm seeing, oh, hello. I'm seeing $75.67. However, it's marked down on the site right now to about $59.99. So yeah, you should probably get this if you're into tools like this. Okay, I think that's all I got to say about this guy. This has been Mark Rollins from the Geek Church signing off.